Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. We've got some exciting news for you. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is launching soon in select markets. But what makes this device so special? Let's dive in and find out. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is offering a sleeker alternative to the recently unveiled Galaxy Z Fold 6. But what does that mean for you? A more premium design, a more seamless user experience, and a whole lot more. Now, here's the big news: the special edition will indeed support the S Pen stylus. But don't get too excited just yet, it won't have a built-in slot. Instead, it'll be compatible with the separately sold S Pen, just like its predecessor. Ross Young just dropped a bombshell: the Z Fold Special Edition won't have a digitizer due to thickness and cost concerns. But what does that mean for S Pen support? Samsung needs to find alternative solutions, and fast. Section 2. The impact on S Pen functionality 130 to 230. Without a digitizer, the S Pen will be limited to basic functionality. No more advanced features, no more precision. It's a passive stylus that'll work with any capacitive touchscreen. Given its premium nature, we expect nothing but the best from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. And with its expected launch in September, the anticipation is building. But will Samsung deliver? Rumors suggest that this new foldable device will boast larger screens than the Z Fold 6 and a powerful 200-megapixel main camera. But that's not all. Its slimmer profile is expected to be a major standout feature, measuring around 10 mm thick when folded. That's a notable reduction from the Z Fold SIXS 12.1 mm. That's all for today, folks. But before we go, let's talk about the elephant in the room: availability. There's a chance the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition might only launch in China and South Korea, which could be a major bummer for enthusiasts worldwide. Share your thoughts on this and the new S Pen feature in the comments below. We want to hear from you. What do you think about the S Pen feature? Are you excited or underwhelmed? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. We'll catch you all in the next update. Until then, take care.